All right, so using Holly's account, um, you're going to log in and see something similar to this. This is the dashboard, and over on the left hand side, there's an entry for events, and we're going to start adding a event or a class in this newfangled method. So we're going to click Add Event. Enter title here. That is the title of the class. So we want to say in this particular example, okay, so the class format in this new method needs to include the teacher name. As I pointed out in the previous video, we need to be able to search the class title field so that we can narrow down um, the classes on a teacher basis. Okay, so that's why this class format is important. So that's the class title. This is the class detail box. Put your class details in this box. All right. The event subtitle is going to be the class subtitle. And we are going to say Sundays, October 2nd through October 16th. And I'm choosing a Sunday because I'm recording this on Sunday, and tomorrow I want to demonstrate that the class that we added for October 2nd is archived and no longer on the calendar on October 3rd. Okay, we're going to say October 2nd is the start and the end date. We'll say 7 to 8 a.m. Doesn't matter. It's a repeating event. We're going to say no, it's not a repeating event, even though it is, because we want a single class entry for every single day. So we're going to create the first day's class within the date range. All right. So I need to assign a class type category. You would be assigning one of these: beginning, continuing, practice, one-on-one. I'm going to select this, do not use, for this particular example so that it's isolated and does not show up on the public class listing. It's in Loveland on Sunday and belongs to Holly. There we go. When you're managing class details, in these boxes, just use what's listed. I know you have a add new class type category. If you do that, it's not going to show up on the class listing, and it's just going to clog up things if you add categories. If we do need a new category or a new city or a new day of week or a new teacher needs to be added, let admin person do that, so that all you have to do is check the boxes. All right, so there is the first day of this class in this date range, October 2nd to October 16th. I'm going to publish this. All right, so we should have a published class with class title, continuing with Tully. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce your last name. Let's go see if it's in the events listing. I'm going to click on events. On Holly's dashboard, I'm going to go to events. This is her event, and she's logged in. She has all these available actions on the event that were not available when she was looking at a class that belonged to Marie. So we've done the first day within the date range. Now, we're going to click on duplicate. I want to duplicate this class. So I'll have the class title, I'll have the class subtitle, I'll have all the categories, I'll have all the same details. You see all the categories are all checked off, everything's the same. But what we want to do is change this from October 2nd to October 9th, the second Sunday within the date range. We've done that. I'm going to click publish, and that's done. Let's go back to events. Now we have two. I'm going to edit this. You notice it says copy. I didn't want that to happen. Take that out. So I've just demonstrated a way that you can go in and do an edit. Go back into the events listing. So now we have October 2nd and October 9th. So let's duplicate this again. Click duplicate. This time, I'm going to update the title. Take the word copy out of it. Now I need to do October 16th, the third Sunday in the date range. That's all we need to do. Publish. So you would continue this, repeating each step that I've just shown until you have every class within your date range. You create one, then you duplicate, duplicate, duplicate for each repeating date that you need. And just come in, change that particular date for the class entry, and make sure the class title is set as you'd like. All right. So I'm going to stop here, and um, I'll resume with another video, and we'll take a look at the class listing.